said I ditched my old niggas, now nothing's holding me back. I'm exposing the cracks in your armor, leaving you trashed. I crashed hella fast with half a glass of Jack in my hand, and I didn't feel a damn drop. Y'all high as fuck, but I'm at the damn top of the mountain. I like to call it my peak. Dreaming of falling, so I'm refusing my sleep. They say life gets better, but it's been 52 weeks out in the heat of the sun. Yeah, but I still ain't giving this up. Yo, bitch on my dick and we fixing the fuck. I jizz on the tits, convincing the bitch to start licking it up. She's like a heroin junkie, just asking for tracks. I laid the bitch on her back. Thought I was addicted to rock, how I jumped in that crack. Yeah, and you niggas know that I'm about to ball. It's cold in hell, but you gotta rise after you fall. I got a winter heart frozen from all the shit that I saw. You wanna stand off, nigga, I'm quicker to drop. Say I steal lines, y'all quicker to rob. Thinking you sick, you shit, this just isn't your job. I spit shit so sick I could injure your mom. They like to call me Nagasaki cause I'm dropping the bombs. Thinking you can stop me, well nigga, you're wrong. Heard the bell ring and nigga, it's on. I'm looking for competition after the first round, you niggas is gone. I'm a smart ass, I chose brains over brawn. Yeah, no options, I'm not stopping, I'm popping to dawn. I might just have to floss on your mom. Thinking you boss, you're a roach, I'm the Don. I'm chopping Decepticons in the bed that they rested on. Sleeping on me, I'm the one you should be invested on. Yeah, I'm stressed, blessed, and flexing on anyone who wanna try and stress my mom. I'm king in the making, I was born to be raw. Saying I ain't, well I'm proving you wrong. Dropping bombs like I was the fucking son of Saddam. Yeah, natural homie. Shouts out to Epic. Yeah.